everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. So today we are going to do a Kim Kardashian inspired makeup but without foundation. So I'm gonna start off by prepping my skin and moisturizing it with black seed oil. Now that our face is ready, I'm jumping off to concealing my under eye bags and pigmentations around my mouth. The right way to find the correct concealer shade is to choose the one that is lighter but not ashy, and also it matches to the skin warmth or the orangish or yellowish tone that you have. Next, we are going to begin by baking our face. Since for this makeup look we are not going to be using any kind of foundation, we are going to use a lot of banana powder and talcum powder. And we are going to use these around our eye bags and also around our laugh lines. And all the other parts that I'm going to be baking it on. I might look very crazy at the moment, but just wait, trust me, it's going to get better. I'm gonna pat on the remaining residue all around my neck and just gonna pat my face just to give it a bit of massage. I've used the talcum powder underneath my eyes, chin, and my forehead. Next on, we are gonna use the blush. So next off, I'm going to use my SHEIN's liquid blush onto my cheekbones and around my forehead just to give it a bit more of a contoured, flushed look. Since it has a kind of a color, it always helps in looking a bit more chic and naturally flushed. So I've used a little more oil to get it easier to blend, because since I have lots of powder onto my skin, it is a bit difficult to blend in the blush. I'm using the same blush onto my eyelids just to look a bit more coordinated, and I did get this idea from one of the YouTubers. Now I'm going to brush on the eyebrows and filling it with my brow pencil. I'm gonna move on to drawing a little inside line with the kohl for both of my eyes. God, I'm so bad at this. See, it gives a really slight line, and draw a little wing on the outside of the corner, which we are gonna smudge to make it not so very obvious but yet natural. Yeah, girl, it's all natural. I was born with that. So it's gonna give it a very light, smoky eyelid kind of a situation, but without having an eye palette. I'm gonna repeat the same thing again and draw a very faint line on top of my eyelid just to smoke it out again, which would make it slightly more darker than previous. Now I'm gonna start drawing a winged eyeliner like that, which is I'm not really good at, but you know, nobody is. I mean, not everybody is a makeup artist, nor is everybody an artist to draw a perfect winged eyeliner. And I've got no all day to keep on doing that. So let's continue our video having an imperfect winged eyeliner. So I've drawn it a bit slightly on my bottom lash line. And next I'm gonna use my mascara. Well, I do not have a mascara, eyelash curler, but I'm gonna try to do that with the mascara wand and make it nice and thick as much as possible. Now I'm gonna buff off all the marinated powders on my face. You literally have to take your whole entire day to buff off all this stuff, but trust me, it takes time. And as you can see in the video, there's a lot of powder still on my face, but I'm gonna clear it up. Just don't judge me yet. So now I've added a lot of blush on my forehead, on my apples of my cheeks, and contoured my entire face and nose and everything. Well, yeah, that's that. Moving on to my lips, I'm gonna line my lips with my brown color brow pencil, that is the only brown thing that I have right now. So next, I'm gonna use a bit more of liquid blush onto my lips. You can use a liquid blush or any kind of blush powder that you use on your lips and add on lip gloss, and remaining residue I have just dabbed on my cheek. Next, I'm gonna use this little bit orange lipstick onto the center part of my lips just to give it a bit more orangey flushed color right in the middle, and I'm gonna top it up with lip gloss. Lovely lip gloss. So there you have it. This is our finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if y'all did, please do like, share, subscribe, join the family. It would mean a lot to me. Love you and see you next time.